In business for 23 years, Tina, Nitu and Associates insurance brokers provide comprehensive and flexible insurance coverage. From quality auto to home insurance, business to life insurance, commercial, travel, and visitor insurance is all offered by Tina, Nitu and Associates at a price that makes sense. Offering specific programs for contractors, office risk, retail industry, hospitality, and automotive, Tina Nitu continues to service all your insurance needs with extraordinary customer service. Insurance is important, and Tina Nitu takes that seriously. For your no-obligation quote, contact Tina Nitu and Associates Insurance Brokers today.